Hey guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Threads by Instagram. Now, the first thing, you need this Thread application. There are two ways to actually get this application. It's already on Android and iOS, so nobody's an exception. So you can either go to the Play Store or the Android Store, and then you search for Threads by, make sure you get the spelling right, Threads from Instagram or by Instagram. So this is Threads from Instagram, and this is the application right here. So all you need to do is to click and install, and we can start making use of the app. Now, another way to actually get the app, because it's an Instagram application, you can open it from Instagram and also with an Instagram account. So I just click on Instagram. I'm going to click on my profile right here. So this is my profile, and wait for it to load. I can click on this icon, the menu icon, and here you can see there is a new feature called Threads. So just so you know, this application is very new and you can make use of it with Instagram. It's actually an Instagram kind of link or connected. I don't know exactly what they are going to be doing special with this application, but don't worry, we are going to go through everything. So if you are new, you can just click on Threads. You can see this will display is actually an introduction to the app. Now you can now click on Get Threads. Sorry, I took a screenshot. You can now click on Get Threads so that it will take you to Threads, and you can actually make use of your Instagram account with Threads. And I can click here, and you can see it displays. It's already on Play Store and Samsung Store, so you can get there. You can get them anywhere. Now, I just closed that because I already started downloading the app, because it's still going to take me to this same area. So let's allow it to install, and then we continue. Installation successfully installed. Now click open, and this is the logo, just like Meta or just like Instagram, and you can see from Meta below, and now you can see how good looking it is. Now guys, there is actually the thing about this, you have to actually sign up with your Instagram, because it's actually an Instagram extension. So if you do not have an Instagram, maybe there is actually a different way to actually sign this up. I'm going to do that on a different video to see if we can sign up without Instagram account. So I'm just going to click on sign up with sign in with my Instagram account, and you can notice it says login request. We sent a notification to the trusted device on this account. So I'm going to confirm this by pausing the video. Alright guys, so I have confirmed my login. So this is my profile icon, you know, it's still my channel name, and this is the bio, and they request me to put a link, or I can import the information from Instagram. So you can add a new detail, or you just import the information from Instagram, but I think it's okay to import the information from Instagram, and it's actually very quick. So I say this is my app, Trust Stanley, download all the video, and quite interesting, right? So I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to change this detail because everything have changed. Now after that, it says you can either make your account public or you can make it private, but I think it's okay to leave it on public because I want people to discover it since we are new here. And now the next place is actually to follow people that is already on Instagram that you're already following. So I have some friends that I'm already following here, so I don't think there is any need to actually follow them. This is my guy, my real G, and this is also my guy. This is still my guy, and I can easily follow all of these people quickly, or I can just click on follow all. Then once you're done, just click on forward. I only follow 2 people anyway. Later on, I'm going to follow the rest. Now you can notice there are even more information. It says how Thread works, powered by Instagram, and the Fed verse and all of this. There are so many information you can go ahead and read. And it says your data by joining Thread, you agree to Meta terms and Thread's supplemental terms. You can go ahead and read all of this information at your own time, but I'm just going to click on join Threads so that we complete this video without issue. or without being too long. Now, if you are on Threads, you are going to see automatically recommended news or recommended information that is being trending, and you can easily click on follow, or you can comment, or you can start a direct message with the person by clicking on direct message. Now you see it says add to post. Actually, that is not to start a direct message. That is actually how to send or share this particular post. That is supposed to be a direct message icon. Probably they will update on that later. So you can either copy the link to the post, you can send it to tweet. You notice this is a Twitter logo, right? And you can also post it to Instagram. So whichever one you want to do, you can do it easily. But you can notice a little bit information on Threads, right? It's quite unique a little bit. So whichever one you want to do, guys, you can like, comment. This is how the comment works, but I don't think I'm interested in any of them, and I'm not actually following these people, but this is actually a recommended post. These are all recommended posts from Threads in my location. Now you can click on this search icon to actually search for people on Threads. Now let's say I'm searching for YouTube, which is YouTube. I can just type in YouTube and hit search, and this is YouTube. I can follow. Now you notice it says following. I'm already following YouTube outside of Threads, but I think this is quite different. Then another thing, you can also make your own threads or start your own threads by coming here. You can leave a post by saying you can leave a post, and you can also attach an image to it by clicking on this attach icon right here. Now it shows you an option to allow gallery. I'm going to click on allow, and I'm going to go ahead and select this, and I wonder if that is right. Okay, click on it, and I'm going to click on post. Okay, hold on. There is even more information that says start a thread. This is already a thread. Why are they showing me more start a thread under the same thread? Okay, it's like me leaving a comment under the same post. I'm actually new to this. Let me see how this turns out. So I wonder if it's going to be under the same message, or if it's going to be separated. So you can notice there is even more information below, and say click on this area. Anyone can reply. Profiles you follow can reply, or you can also mention people by clicking on this if you want to mention people. So I'm going to make little individual videos for all of these features later on. So if you don't, click on post and it starts posting. So this is actually how to make a thread or post a thread. Now if you come here, you can see all of your previous notification. I think someone just followed me, and I'm going to confirm the follower request, and I'm going to go ahead and follow this person back. I actually don't know exactly who that person is. He said okay, I'm in love with Fairy Tale Dream, you know. Okay, I don't exactly know that person in person. I'm going to look at their profile later on. Now this is actually my profile, and this is actually my first thread. And what I just posted, this is the first thread, and below it there is actually another thread, and this is quite interesting, guys. What do you think? So I had two threads. I think this is one and this is another one, meaning you can post two threads at a go, even in the same time. So it's actually very interesting. You can also edit your profile by clicking on this area. I only want to have one active followers, and then this is actually thread URL, threads.com, and I can click on this area and see even more information. The default language, account setting, privacy, notification, follow and invite friends. Very interesting. And you can see about, and you can see the privacy, terms of use, and also open libraries. So very interesting, guys. I'm going to explore this more, and I'm going to make more video to this, but now this is actually an introduction to Threads, and I hope you guys, what do you think about this? It looks very similar to TikTok. Sorry, it looks very similar to Instagram. So you can also click on this to retweet that particular post. You notice it says repost, or you can leave it as a quote. Very interesting. I am going to explore it more, and I'm going to tell you guys what I think about this, and I'm going to make more videos about it. So thank you guys for watching. See you soon.